Hey, fellow stock guardians. Happy Friday, May 28th, 2021. I'm Hoda, a stock card CEO, reporting to you from a green but relatively flat stock market. I looked into why the stock market indices lost some momentum towards the end of the day and discussed the earnings reports by Veeva Systems, Salesforce.com, and Costco, two of which had a green day while the other fell despite all-around solid earnings reports. The stock market indices had a good day for the most part of the trading day until the last hour when suddenly all three indices dropped to near zero. The core personal consumption expenditures price index increased by 3.1% compared to a year ago. This is one of the key indicators the Fed uses to gauge the inflation rate. Combine that with the fading impact of the stimulus checks on personal income, and I'm not surprised to see that the market has lost its momentum today. The next important economic indicator is the monthly jobs report expected to come out next week. I expect more market volatility as monthly economic data gets released. Let's monitor and discuss the impact next week. By the way, the stock markets are closed on Monday, May 31st in observation of Memorial Day in the United States. We all get to do some fact-based research without the usual market chatter. Shares of Veeva Systems, VEEV, were up more than 10%. So were shares of Salesforce.com, CRM, by more than 5%. Veeva uses Salesforce.com's tech infrastructure to deliver customer relationship management solutions to the healthcare industry, among other services. It is interesting to see the two stocks are moving together. Veeva released an excellent quarterly earnings report with a 29% year-over-year revenue jump. Salesforce.com also released a strong quarterly earnings report, adjusting its full-year revenue forecast upward. I own both stocks and believe both are excellent stocks to hold for the long term. If you don't have them, add them to your watch list. And if you ever find these two stocks dragged down by the market's pessimism, consider adding a few shares to your portfolio. Both are cash-rich, well-managed, and well-established companies. That's what I did the last time these stocks dropped. Shares of Costco, COST, were down more than 2% after the company released its latest earnings report. It's quite unusual these days to see Costco's stock price down. It's also double surprising to see the price drop, even though the company announced it's bringing back popular food court items and food sampling. Digging into the earnings report, revenue was up across the board, including an excellent e-commerce growth rate. Quite a few financial analysts also upgraded their price target for Costco to a higher level. There is no apparent reason for the price drop today. While the stock price drop is small, it may be a good time to pick up some shares, especially if you're building a dividend-focused portfolio and look for a stable and established dividend payer like Costco. That's it for today. If you haven't already done so, please give a stock card a try. Research as many stocks and ETFs as you want, and consider following a few successful investors by visiting the stock pick page on the stock card platform. And don't forget to sign up for a 14-day free trial and add promo code ROLL with our CEO, all lowercase and in one word, to get an additional exclusive discount. And as always, help us grow the community by liking, subscribing, and sharing these daily market recap reports with your fellow investors. I'll see you next week.